You may be asking yourself, I have no money coming in, where do I start and what can I do? Well, you are not the only one asking these questions. In fact, millions of people have lost their jobs and their income suddenly stopped. It is normal to feel shocked or panicked under this situation, but please, do not ignore the situation. During this time of income uncertainty, it is very important you get up-to-date information to ease your stress and worry. In this video, we are going to highlight some of the common financial challenges as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. You will learn tips and tricks to address your financial worries and also help you adapt to the changing environment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified immediately we upload a new video. Financial experts recommend that when you quickly look at your household budget, you may realize that you have more options and you can be better off in the long run. 1. Start by creating a budget. Create a spending plan for your money. Write down any paychecks you are expecting or savings you may have, and then list your monthly bills. This ensures that you are able to account for any money you have coming in and going out each month. Don't forget to build an emergency budget and also consider the possibility that the COVID-19 pandemic may last longer than expected. Two. Prioritize your bills. Whether you like it or not, you have to make some tough choices, like deciding which bills you should pay and which you should temporarily put off. In short, you need to ask yourself whether you can live without the product or service you are paying for. Prioritize by what is most important to keep you safe. For example, housing, food, utilities, your car, and whatever else you need. Saving a little on each bill will add up to a lot in the long run, so do not underestimate this strategy. But even as you review all your bills and obligations, remember to include all your family members in the discussion about how to reduce costs. 3. Let your creditors know about your financial situation. Falling behind on your bills can be one of the most stressful things in life. As hard as it is to think about it, it's best to contact your creditors before you miss a payment so they know you are keeping track and working on the situation. 4. What if you're unable to pay rent? If you know you will not be able to pay your rent, it's best to talk to your landlord and explain your state of affairs. Another option is to approach your landlord with suggestions for how you will repay them. Doing this will make it easier to work out something and will hopefully indicate that you are acting in good faith. 5. Don't worry about your credit rating. In case you're worried about your credit rating taking a hit, this is not the time. Your credit rating will recover once things get to normal. In some countries like Kenya, the government has suspended indefinitely listing of loan defaulters with the Credit Reference Bureau (CRB) as part of the country's economic stimulus program. 6. Avoid the temptation of cheap credit. Yes, it's true that some interest rates are very low like never before, but try as much as possible to avoid the temptation of borrowing during a time of huge transition. Economic experts suggest that there is every chance that interest rates will stay low even after the coronavirus has passed in order to help the economy recover more quickly. 7. Apply for any help you're eligible for. Losing any part of your income is frightening, losing your job can even be more terrifying. However, change your worries into action. Depending on your country of residence, research what you qualify for and submit your application promptly. For example, in Kenya, the country's President Uhuru said his government decided that vulnerable families and individuals will be given money to buy food or any other provisions they need. He said the government has information that would use to identify those to receive the money. The president did not, however, give details on the amount every family or individual would receive or the process of getting the money. This has left many deserving Kenyans with no idea how they can get help from the government. In our next episode, we will share several safe ways you can make money during the COVID-19 pandemic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified immediately we upload a new video. In this channel, we touch people's lives through videos that educate and inspire. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.